Hello, namaskarams to all of you. I am Kesav Murthy from Igniting Young Minds, and I hope all of you are doing well in your studies. Now, this video is meant for students who plan to appear for Neet JEE in 2023 and 2024. That is, presently they must be studying. They may be studying in 11th standard or 12th standard. Suppose if you are a 11th standard student, and then you have to study the 11th standard portions first and then complete the syllabus and then move on to the 12th standard. Suppose you are in the 12th standard, in 11th standard they wouldn't have covered all the syllabus. Entire chapters may not be covered in some schools, but you must cover entire syllabus before you move on to the 12th standard. So for studying these things, the subject which is not taught in the school, you have to go through your board books, try to understand by yourself. Suppose you are not able to understand, then you go through the NCERT books. Still, if you don't understand, you can refer to some reference books, or you can consult your co-students or teachers, or YouTube videos you can look at, and then you can understand. Suppose if somebody is there to teach you, that is great. Secondly, you have to stay very close to your school, because you should not waste your time in commuting from your home to school and back. Third is, suppose you don't find time, because in a state like Tamil Nadu, they will have special classes and various test drills every day, which means after the school hours, they will consume another 1.5 hours of students' time, and students have to stay in the school up to 5:36. Suppose you, because of which you don't have time for preparing for your entrance coaching, entrance exams, then you can go and consult your headmaster or principal and tell her your actual problems, genuine problems, and then ask for a permission not to attend those special classes or the extra test like that. That is another thing. The third point is like, whenever you complete a syllabus, you find out what is the gap in that particular chapter which you have not studied properly. Find out the gap. It is called a gap analysis. Do the gap analysis, find out the gap and fill that gap. By saying fill the gap, we mean that you study it again and then understand it properly. That is the kind of thing we have to do. And the fourth point is you do error analysis. That is, whenever you complete 2 or 3 chapters, or once in a month, you write a mock test. Once in a month, you write a test on the portions which you have studied, and find out, and you yourself correct the test and find out how much marks you are getting. And you always list down the reasons for which you have not got the full marks. And the reasons could be some 7 or 8 reasons are there. One is, the reason is you have not studied that particular portion. Second is you have not understood the concept. The third is the questions are very confusing or very long, or it could be misleading. And the fourth is there may be unwanted data or information in that particular question. And fifth is you have made a silly mistakes. By and large, the reason, 99% of the reason will be the first two things. That is, you have not studied properly or you have not understood the concept. So for that, you have to take the help of a mentor. A mentor need not necessarily be an expert on the subject, but somebody who knows the subject. Your friend can be a mentor, your teacher can be a mentor, or your senior can be a mentor who will ask some right questions, and then so that he will make you to think. Then automatically you will find the error that you have committed and you will correct yourself. If you do all these things, then after completing the 11th syllabus, you go to the 12th syllabus. In the 12th syllabus, by the time you reach January, February 2023 or 2024, depending on in which class you are studying now, you should have completed your 12th portions also. All the chapters in the 12th process you should have studied, right? And then from February onwards, another 3 months, you can revise, do the revision, and you can write some mock tests, so that you will do some gap analysis and find out and fill the gap, and you will do the error analysis and plug the error. If you do like this, I am sure all of you will come up with flying colors in the NEET exam as well as JEE exam. I wish you all the best for this exam, and I thank every one of you for listening to this video. If you find it interesting, you can share this video to your co-students co-teachers and co-parents. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe now our YouTube channel. Thank you.